Hey, it's Dervin from Dig It Excavating. We want to show you with this video how we took a nice property with a nice house on a peninsula that had a failing septic system, and we provided the homeowner with a really bulletproof system with the Sludgehammer engineered septic system. So day one on the project, and we ran into quite a few little hiccups. We locked the keys in the truck. At the high water table, there was an extremely large amount of cave-ins. We had a tree fall over the one tank as we were setting it. The day ended well. We were able to work through all our problems. So we got both tanks in. Day two, we start installing all the Sludgehammer components. You have the unit, the aerator unit that recirculates all your sewage in the first tank. That's processing all the waste. Then you have a recirculating pump that any leftover unprocessed sewage gets recirculated back and keeps clarifying both tanks. You have a filter that allows only clean effluent going into the dosing tank. In the dosing tank, then we have a pressure dose system with a rhombus control, and that feeds a time dose release for the effluent going to the drip line system. Day three, we're back to cut in the drain bed. We basically took out all the bad soils from ground level down to the water table, and then we brought in washed sand. 24 inches of washed sand, and that's where we installed the GeoFlow drip irrigation. GeoFlow is a specially designed irrigation tube that allows more processing of the effluent as it passes through the emitters. It has root resistant properties as well. We also provide ongoing maintenance. So engineered systems have to have a maintenance contract, and we're here to help the system work forever. If you have a lake lot property with a challenging site, if you're thinking of building on a lake, give us a call and see if we can help you out with engineered technology through Sludgehammer.